In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign into GOG quickly and easily, using the same sign-in method you chose when you created your account. If you use GOG for gaming, downloads, or managing your library, knowing the correct login method is important, because GOG lets you sign in through different options like Google, Discord, Xbox, or email and password. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open GOG from your desktop. You can do this by double-clicking the GOG shortcut or launching it from your apps list if you don't have it on the desktop. Once GOG opens, look for the sign-in screen. Here, you'll see different login methods available. GOG gives you several options depending on how your account was originally created. You may see options like Google, Discord, Xbox, or email and password. This is the most important part of the process. You need to choose the exact method you used when you first made the account. If you created your GOG account with Google, then you should click the Google sign-in option. If you use Discord, select Discord. If you signed up with Xbox, choose Xbox. And if you used a traditional login, enter your email and password instead. In my case, I used Google, so I'm going to click the Google sign-in option. After that, GOG will prompt me to choose the Google account linked to my GOG profile. I simply select the correct account from the list. If your browser or pop-up window asks you to confirm access, just follow the prompts and approve the login. Once you select the right account, GOG will verify your details in the background. This usually only takes a moment. After that, your login is completed and you should be taken straight into your GOG account or library. At this point, you can start browsing your games, checking your profile, or downloading anything you need. If you ever have trouble signing in, always go back and double-check that you are using the same login method tied to your original account, because choosing the wrong one is the most common reason people get stuck. And that's it. That's how to sign into GOG in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.